Hi. Okay, so today we're gonna do space buns, but they look like teddy bear ears. You'll see. Super cute. You're gonna start by parting your hair down the middle. Most of the time it should be straight, but I, for the life of me, can't part straight today. Make sure your hair is brushed. It will make the whole process way easier. We're gonna start by sectioning and using clear elastics. Section and part. Do the same thing you did on the left side to the right side. Well, my left, your right. Kind of like as if you were doing bubble braids. Do not judge me for my parting skills, but clearly I'm just a hot mess. After you got them in pigtails, take each side and braid them all the way to the end, or as close as you can get to the ends. If you haven't already, check out my video for this makeup look. It is a step-by-step on what I did, and it's just beautiful. I'm loving this look. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like. Just separating the braid here and making it a little bigger. Take one of your braids, tuck it in from the top into the first part of your bubble braid. It's going to give your space bun a lot of structure. Keep doing the same thing until you have most of your hair tucked. I mean, I don't know how long your hair is, but I had to do 2 loops through. Find you some bobby pins and pin up the tail of your braid to the back, and make sure you have the end tucked underneath your space bun. Super cute. All right, now let's finish the other side. This is already my second loop, tucking from the top. I think this look is so cute, and they're so like structurally like just solid. If you have little hairs, you can, what I do is I twist and then I pin in the back. A little hairspray. Same thing on this side. Like I said, please don't judge my parting skills. And this is a little messy, but you guys get the idea, I hope. I really love this look, and I hope you do too. That being said, subscribe, like, you know, all the things. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.